Are you in need of a mortgage? Volunteer Home Mortgage is here for you 7 days a week. Whether you're in Tennessee, Georgia, Florida, or even beyond that, Jerry and her expert team are ready to help you with your purchases, refinances, and so much more. Don't wait. Call them tonight, 865-238-7500, or visit them online at volunteerhomemortgage.com. Well, good afternoon, sure. Hope you're having a great day today. Beautiful sunshine, that hazy sunshine, the heat's starting to build. No activity as of right now, and we're still not going to really see a whole lot of activity throughout the day. A couple of spotty showers and thunderstorms may be developing into upper East Tennessee as you get a little bit of that moisture surging. So from here on out, keep that in mind if you're joining us in upper East Tennessee. May see a few of those afternoon showers and thunderstorms that could become a little bit stronger. Here's our futurecast, not talking about severe weather throughout the day today, but you can see our futurecast model picking up on some of these showers and thunderstorms kind of hanging out across upper East Tennessee. The point of the story is that most of us are going to stay on the dry side throughout the day today. Just a few spotty, good, solid downpours can't be ruled out. Now, forecast high temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s, but heat index values are going to be in the upper 80s to low 90s, especially south of Interstate 40, where we could be hitting close to about 90 degrees in Chattanooga. All right, let's talk about the severe weather potential as we wrap up the week, Friday into Saturday. The Storm Prediction Center has put us under a level 1 and 2 risk for severe storms here locally and across the entire state. For the most part, a level 2 risk by the Storm Prediction Center. And then we'll do it again Saturday into Sunday as we have a level 2 risk by the Storm Prediction Center as well. So we have a couple of days in a row of some elevated severe weather potential. So Friday into Saturday, medium category for damaging winds and also heavy rain and training of storms could lead to some flooding and flash flooding concerns. Not really looking at a big hail event. Freezing levels way too high for that. But there is a chance for an isolated tornado, more so on Saturday than what we will experience throughout the day tomorrow. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We have a zonal flow in the atmosphere, meaning the upper part of winds are basically pushing from west to east. A cluster of thunderstorms is going to be entering our area throughout the day on Friday. That's going to work its way on out with some overnight showers possible. So some wet conditions, but not necessarily a rainy start to our Saturday. And then Saturday into Sunday, another cluster of thunderstorms riding right across the Tennessee-Kentucky border, right around the state. So we'll see how Saturday plays out. But it does look like elevated rain chances, so we'll see severe weather possible on Friday. We'll do it again on Saturday. Rain chances start to come down, but still going to have some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And really, when you're looking at a 7-day stretch of rainfall, we still could see anywhere from 1 to 2+ inches of rain around East Tennessee. So a lot of rain is on the way. We'll be in the mid to upper 80s today and tomorrow. Severe storms possible Friday into Saturday. Low 80s return as we head through the weekend and into much of next week. All right, so enjoy the sunshine, the dry weather conditions for now. Have a way to receive weather information as we get into our Friday and Saturday, thanks to the threat for severe storms. An easy way to do so is by scanning that QR code in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Right here, right there. Scan that QR code. Download the East Tennessee Weather app. Allow notifications, allow location services, and you will have all the weather information you possibly could need right there at your fingertips. I'll keep you posted on the storms. Check back in by 6 o'clock tonight, see how things are evolving or developing. I'll have the latest information tonight at 6.